YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, today we talking about Bitcoin. We talking about XRP. Before we get into it, I gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just the homie. That's it. But again, we're gonna talk about some cryptocurrency. So as you guys can see, market cap coming in at 2.68 trillion. Fear Greed Index coming in at 824. Bitcoin coming in at 82.5 against some key resistance right now. Can we break out, or are we just going to kind of ride this sideways? That's kind of pretty much what it's been all day today. This sideways motion, us wondering, are we going to break out? Are we going to break down? As you guys can see, we created this rising wedge right here on the 1 day and seen another rejection, right? As you can see here, we have been in rejection mode. It's not looking good right now on this 1 day chart, but let's see if we could open it up and see anything else that's going on some of these more macro charts. I did say that I would probably be looking to open a short position based off of our last video, because again, it just looked like we were lacking volume and that we were breaking down. And again, it doesn't look any different to me. We are again on some key support down here at this 82, but this pattern just looks so ugly. I just feel like, again, this could need some more correction, right? We could possibly see another head shoulder form here, dropping us down all the way into this 80 range right here. If we get this low, I'd be really concerned that we start breaking below this Keltner channel, this bottom level. We talk about what happens when we break below this bottom level of this Keltner channel. It could be a slippery slope. We could start really dropping down. We've seen it happen right here, right? We create this head shoulder right here, very similar to what we're doing right here, right? Head shoulder. And then we create this big drop down under this Keltner channel. And look, we saw a rejection here. It dropped all the way down again. Saw another rejection. And then we floated in, in between the zone. And it's just been a struggle to get back above this second zone of this Keltner channel here without, again, creating a rising wedge. This price action that we're seeing is not very good price action. It's a lot of wedges, right? It's like a lot of these big price spikes. It's just to liquidate people. But these patterns, I mean, they're not unpredictable. Like, it's definitely been pretty predictable. Like, how many times do you see a rising wedge break down, right? How many times has that happened, right? We're seeing it happen possibly, again, on some of these more smaller time intervals. So that's just something to pay attention to. Again, we could, in the bullish point of view, we could still have this double bottom down here at this 82. The 30-minute is still looking pretty decent, but again, we have to close this candle above this line right here, and it's just been no volume. And that's what I'm concerned about really with Bitcoin and with this market, is just this lack of volume and the fact that nothing's moving this market. And that's why, again, I feel like we need to see another retest of some lower ranges, possibly even as low as 68K. If that happens, I do think that the market is going to see a lot of sell-off. Let's talk about some XRP and let's talk about some Ethereum, because you guys could see Ethereum also lacking volume today. XRP seeing a little bit better volume, but also looking very volatile. I mean, in general, the market is going to be looking volatile today. It's not just crypto, guys. It's the whole entire market across the board. So you guys can see XRP coming in at 215, and it's really at some key support right now. If it's going to hold on, it really needs to start developing something in one of these ranges pretty soon. Otherwise, again, we're going to start seeing some more sell-off. We've already seen this thing starting to see some correction, right? We have not been able to break above very much above this $3 mark here, up above like what, 330 or something like that. And ever since then, we've just seen rejection after rejection. We are creating a downtrend here on XRP, and either we're going to create a wedge and we're going to see a break up, or we are going to see a breakdown of this trend. And again, if we start breaking down below this $2 mark, I'd be very concerned, because we just had such an insane parabolic run. Like, people really, I don't even know if people understand how much money really just went into XRP in 2024 alone. So again, but I feel like XRP is going to have an awesome 2025. I feel like this coin's going to be one that has an opportunity to do really well. Again, that's just a prediction. Market's very unforeseen. Anything could happen. Bitcoin could come correcting down and need to correct down for the next 2-3 years, 4 years, whatever. Or again, maybe the market turns around the next 2, 3, 4 weeks, or maybe it turns around the next 2, 3, 4 days. You never really know with Bitcoin. It could really move on the drop of a dime. But we do know, based off of prior cycles, that this is seeming more like an accumulation phase, in my opinion, than a top to our market already have happened. I don't think that we are just seeing like the market totally break down. I feel like we will see more breakdown in the market. Personally, I believe that. Again, 68K is kind of my bottom, I feel like. But there's a chance always, again, double bottom at 80K, or maybe we hold 82. I don't know. Again, the market is totally speculative right now. Anything can happen. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're not yet tapped into my Patreon, join me over on Patreon, guys. I keep you guys updated. We do price analysis like this all the time. So again, join us over on Patreon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, the comments. It all helps in the algorithm. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, and I can't do it without you, buddy. I appreciate you. And if nobody loves you, Crypto J loves you. I'll catch you next video. Peace.